Imagine having a personal tutor, brainstorming partner, and problem solver all rolled into one, available 24/7. That's what AI tools like ChatGPT promise. But here's the question. Can AI actually make you smarter, or is it just a fancy shortcut? Welcome to Mental Edge HQ, where we help you master your mind and unlock your potential. If you're ready to level up your brainpower, hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable insights. In today's video, we're diving deep into how AI tools like ChatGPT are transforming the way we learn, think, and grow. We'll explore the science, real-life applications, and potential downsides of relying on AI for mental growth. Make sure to stick around for tips on how to use AI to truly maximize your potential. Before we answer whether AI can make you smarter, let's define smarter. Is it about acquiring knowledge, solving problems faster, or thinking more creatively? Studies show that intelligence is not just about facts, it's about adaptability, critical thinking, and applying knowledge effectively. So can AI help enhance these areas? Let's find out. AI tools like ChatGPT are designed to enhance productivity and creativity. Here's how they can actually boost your brain power. First, learning at your pace. Need help understanding complex topics? AI simplifies information, making it easier to grasp. Second, enhancing creativity. AI can help you brainstorm ideas and explore new perspectives you might not have considered. And third, building critical thinking. By asking the right questions and analyzing AI responses, you can sharpen your reasoning skills. But here's the catch: AI is only as smart as the questions you ask it. While AI can be a game changer, there are risks to relying on it too much. Overdependence can weaken your ability to think independently. And remember, AI doesn't have emotions or true understanding, it's only processing data. So critical thinking and skepticism are still essential. Here's how you can use AI to genuinely enhance your intelligence. 1. Ask open-ended questions. This sparks deeper thinking and more insightful responses. 2. Fact-check everything. Don't take AI's answers at face value, verify the information. 3. Pair AI with traditional learning. Use AI as a supplement, not a replacement, for books, mentors, and real-world experiences. By using AI strategically, you can unlock its full potential as a learning tool. So, can AI like ChatGPT make you smarter? Absolutely, but only if you use it wisely. Think of it as a powerful tool in your mental toolbox. It's up to you to wield it effectively. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Mental Edge HQ. Your support helps our videos reach more people. Let's unlock our potential together.